Introducing the new View and Navion, state-of-the-art RVs that deliver a travel experience like no other. Perfectly balancing freedom, flexibility, upscale luxury, and cutting-edge technology, these innovative Class Cs redefine RV living and take you anywhere you want to go comfortably. Sleeping up to 3, the 24T features a new power recline theater seating and Murphy bed combo that provides flexible lounging options in the spacious living area. You can even use both the recliners and the bed with the slide-out in to relax on the go. In camp, the all-new passenger-side dining area provides quick access to the outdoors and easily stores to provide more space when not in use. This innovative new floor plan maximizes every inch to provide a larger bathroom and a residential-sized wardrobe so you can pack for all climates. The optional, sleek, low-profile front cab also provides secure latched storage above the cab that's accessible even when the slide is in. The View and Navion are the first models to include Winnebago Connect, our all-new intelligent RV platform. This groundbreaking technology is your personal RV companion to make your experience easier and more enjoyable than ever. Seamlessly integrating with your Winnebago app, Winnebago Connect provides travel prep resources, mobile controls for safety and convenience, automated smart energy management, and real-time vehicle system alerts, including pet minder notifications for when you need to leave your furry friend in the RV. But that's not all Winnebago Connect can do. Periodic over-the-air software upgrades can improve your experience on the go. And when you do need service, you can access customer care and find a dealer. To make your RV feel more like home, you can add a Wi-Fi data plan to stay better connected to work or your favorite shows while on the road. RVs with this many features require sufficient and efficient power to run it all, and Winnebago has you covered. The lithium battery package and solar panels work together to help ensure that you'll have clean and quiet power when shore power isn't available. Outside, the all-new Gear Garage is a game changer when it comes to storage and gear hauling capacity. It spans the full width of the vehicle and is big enough to accommodate 2 full-size bikes with room to spare. Durable, easy to clean, and heated, it also features handy power outlets and LED lighting. And when you're ready to go again, you'll have all the latest driver assistance technologies to hit the road with confidence. Those who opt for the all-wheel drive option will also enjoy higher ground clearance to better handle wet and snowy conditions and more rugged terrain. And new thermal cab window covers provide enhanced insulation to increase heating and cooling efficiency. With the View and Navion's enhanced features, luxurious comfort, and revolutionary intelligent RV platform, we've got the art of travel down to a science. Learn more about the new Winnebago View and Navion at winnebago.com or visit your local Winnebago dealer.